Okay, so let me show you how easy it is to pickle red onions or pickle any kind of vegetables whatsoever. It is so delicious. So let's get... Okay, so on the pickled red onions, what I've got is a very large red onion that I cut in half. You can use the whole one. But we're going to go ahead and slice it. Just like that, and then they'll break apart. And we're going to put this in a mason jar, which we're going to put my pickling solution right over these red onions. If anyone told me that I would like pickled red onions 6 months ago, I would have told them they were crazy. But I have one of my favorite chefs has inspired me to try these out. I made a batch and I ate them all. They are absolutely delicious. You can serve them on salad, which we're going to do today. We're going to serve a arugula and spring mix salad with pickled red onions alongside of our salmon. Get these. But you can serve these on anything. Salad, hamburgers, pizza, sandwiches. They're just fantastic. Takes me about maybe 10 minutes to do this. So we're just going to put all this in the jar. Whoops. I'm going to get a little slice. Just like that. I use a half an onion. This will stay in the fridge for about 2 weeks. So we're good to go. Okay, so now I've got 2 cups of water. I've got a sauce pot here. I've got 2 cups of water. We're going to do 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. You can use white wine vinegar or vinegar of your choice. And 1 cup of sugar. This is your pickling solution. You don't need anything else. And you're going to put this on the stove. You're going to bring it to a boil until the sugar dissolves. And then you're going to pour, which I'll show you when this boils, we're going to pour the hot solution or the hot pickling solution right over these red onions. Okay, so we are ready. I've heated up the vinegar and the water and the sugar and it's all dissolved. And you would now pour it into your mason jar just to cover your onions. You can use a whole onion. I used a half onion here and make sure it's submerged. What's so incredible about this is that the onions don't get soggy. They stay crisp and colorful and beautiful, and they have this most wonderful flavor. So we're going to serve this on our spring salad tonight with our salmon. So I'm going to cover it. And no, the glass won't break, and it is very, very hot. But you're going to want to stick this in your fridge, or if you live where I do, you could put it outside because it's 30 degrees. Whatever works for you. Anyway, there you go. Pickling red onions is super easy. And yeah, that's it. So I'm going to put it in my fridge.